How much do you know about space? Let's check your knowledge. With this quiz, be sure to subscribe and let's begin. Which planet is nicknamed the Blue Planet? Earth, Neptune, or Uranus? That's right, it's Earth. What is the Big Bang Theory about? Black holes, the origin of the universe, or an explosion? The origin of the universe. What was the first artificial satellite launched by humans? Explorer 1, Vanguard 1, or Sputnik 1? It's Sputnik 1. Which constellation contains the North Star? The Big Dipper, Cassiopeia, or Ursa Minor? It's Ursa Minor. Who said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind"? Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Alan Shepard. It's Neil Armstrong. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? 1,000 kilometers, 120,000 kilometers, or 300,000 kilometers? It's 300,000 kilometers. Who discovered that the Earth revolves around the Sun? Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo, or Robert Boyle? Nicholas Copernicus. Which planet is the brightest in the sky? Saturn, Mars, or Venus? It's Venus. Which red supergiant star is visible to the naked eye from Earth? Betelgeuse, Antares, or Aldebaran? It's Betelgeuse. What is the name of the robot currently on Mars? Curiosity, Perseverance, or R2-D2? It's Perseverance. How old is the Earth? 3.2 million years old, 4.5 billion years old, or 2.3 trillion years old? $4.5 billion years old. What's the largest planet in our solar system? Neptune, Earth, or Jupiter? Jupiter. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, or Mercury? Mercury. What gas mainly composes the atmosphere of Mars? Nitrous oxide, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide. What's the name of this planet? Saturn, Uranus, or Jupiter? Saturn. How many natural satellites does Earth have? 1, 2, or 3? That's right, it's 1. What will the Sun become after it runs out of fuel? A black hole, a white dwarf, or a supernova? It's a white dwarf. How hot is the surface of the Sun? 1,000 degree Feb, 10,000 degree Feb, or 100,000 degree Feb? It's 10,000 degree Phi. How long does it take for sunlight to reach Earth? 8 seconds, 8 minutes, or 8 hours? It's 8 minutes. What's the main component of Saturn's rings? Rock, ice, or dust? It's ice. When the moon passes in front of the sun, is it a full moon, a solar eclipse, or a planetary conjunction? Solar eclipse. Which galaxy are we in? The Milky Way, Andromeda, or Sombrero? It's the Milky Way. What's the name of the ice dome that surrounds our solar system? The Kuiper Belt, the Oort cloud, or the asteroid belt? The Oort cloud. Which planet is nicknamed the Red Planet? Mars, Jupiter, or Mercury? It's Mars. Where is the largest volcano in the solar system? On Mars, on Earth, or on Venus? That's right, on Mars. How many planets are there in our solar system? 10, 9, or 8? It's 8. The sun is a planet, a star, or a galaxy. A star is right one. Which mission took the first man to the moon? Apollo 13, Apollo 11, or Apollo 12? It's Apollo 11. Which planet is the brightest in the sky? Saturn, Mars, or Venus? It's Venus. How many moons does Jupiter have? 6, 79, or 189? That's right, it's 79. Who was the first dog sent to space? Laika, Belka, or Strelka? It's Laika. How often can we see Halley's Comet in the sky? Every 5 years, every 25 years, or every 75 years? Every 75 years. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Mars, or Venus? Venus is the right one. How far has man traveled to space, to Mars, to the moon, or to Jupiter? To the moon. Which planet has the most moons? Venus, Saturn, or Uranus? Venus is the right one. Thank you so much for watching. Now comment your score.